my beard going.
We better do something.
When I get older, losing my head, maybe he's running out. Will he still be sending me Valentine's? Birthday greeting, bottle of wine. If I get up till 2:45, you know. Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64?
Good one, man. Yeah? Alright, there you go.
When your lights have gone, Sunday morning, go for a ride through the garden, taking a weed. Still for good, ask for more. Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64?
Got him, master.
Thank you so much. Thank you.